In the heart of a bustling town, nestled between a cozy bookstore and a lively park, there was a quaint little studio known as Crafty Creations. This was the domain of Crafty Cat, a whimsical feline with a knack for creativity and a love for all things crafty. Every week, Crafty Cat would welcome young viewers to join her on magical crafting adventures inspired by the pages of their favorite books. From wizard wands to pirate hats and even delicious cakes, there was always something new and exciting to create. On this particular day, Crafty Cat was feeling especially inspired by the tales of wizards and witches from a popular series of books. With a mischievous gleam in her eyes, she gathered her young audience around and announced, "Today, we shall embark on a journey to Hogwarts with our very own wizard wands." The children's faces lit up with excitement as Crafty Cat unveiled a treasure trove of crafting materials: wooden dowels, glittering ribbons, and shimmering paints. With gentle guidance from Crafty Cat, they set to work, infusing their wands with their own unique magic. As the wands dried, Crafty Cat regaled the children with tales of spells and enchantments, transporting them to a world of wonder and imagination. And just when they thought the adventure was over, Crafty Cat had one more surprise in store. With a twinkle in her eye, Crafty Cat whisked out a tray of freshly baked cakes, each one more delicious than the last. The children's eyes widened with delight as they savored the sweet treats, their bellies full and their hearts brimming with joy. But the fun didn't stop there. Inspired by the tales of swashbuckling pirates and daring adventures on the high seas, Crafty Cat led the children in crafting their very own pirate hats. With feathers and beads, ribbons and lace, they transformed simple hats into majestic crowns fit for the mightiest of pirates. As the afternoon sun dipped below the horizon, Crafty Cat bid her young friends farewell, their heads adorned with pirate hats and their hands clutching wizard wands. And as they ventured back into the world, their hearts were filled with memories of a day filled with magic, creativity, and delicious cakes.